Hey, this is Mark Mathis with e-commerce site owners, and if you want to get access to the full course, ClickFunnels for e-commerce, I've just put the final touches on it. You can see it behind me. It's ready to go for you. All you need to do is just click on the link below this video and you'll get access immediately. Okay? Hope to see you on the inside of the private Facebook group, and if I can help you, just let me know. Thanks. Hey, this is Mark with eCommerceSiteOwners.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to integrate Zapier with ClickFunnels. So Zapier is basically a multi-tool that integrates perfectly with ClickFunnels to interact with other applications that you might use. So for example, if you have a ClickFunnels funnel where you're making orders and you want all those orders to go into a Google spreadsheet for your virtual assistant to be able to process, Zapier will allow you to do that. Whereas in the past, what you would have to do is build a custom API integration. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and go on a site like Upwork or something and find people with that particular skill in those two applications, which is very difficult to find typically, especially if the other application is lesser known. It costs a lot of money, and it takes a lot of time, and it's very prone to error. So what Zapier has done is integrate with all these different platforms and softwares and tools, and basically built a bridge between their software and another software. So they act as a middleman. And it's a wonderful, wonderful tool. Absolutely 100%. That should be the one tool that you invest in other than ClickFunnels, because it can automate so many things and do things behind the scenes that you won't have to do there. It'll save you a lot of time. So to use this, it's built by it's already built in to ClickFunnels, but you still need to configure your different zaps, as they call those, or integrations. So let's go into an example sales funnel sample right here, and if we go to settings, you'll see down here at the bottom they have all these just more popular ones. So send Gmail messages when new contacts are added to ClickFunnels. Add or update MailChimp subscribers from new activity on ClickFunnels. So whenever they purchase something, you can put them on mailing lists and MailChimp. Add new ClickFunnels orders to Google Sheets. Add or update active campaign contacts, and there's many more. These are just the more popular ones: Slack, Agile CRM, Google Sheets. So anyway, let's go through and I'll show you how to do one of these. So we'll add new ClickFunnels orders to Google Sheets. And so it'll pop up, and if you don't have an account, it'll prompt you to create an account. And so let's say new successful purchase, and then choose your ClickFunnels account. And so you choose your funnel, then your funnel steps. So if it's an order form and you're looking for purchases, you're looking in that field. And then you'll go continue, and then you'll see we're looking for a purchase in your ClickFunnels account. Let's wait for it to find one. If you don't have one, run a sample through. We'll just say cancel, continue without samples. When you have samples in there, it will allow you to map out the fields. So you can say first name goes in this field, email goes in this field, create spreadsheet row, and then you'll go through and you'll actually just be able to connect a new account or whatever you want to do. And so basically it will, every time that an order comes through, it will automatically map to this external Google Sheets that you created, and put that data in those fields, so then you can have that for archiving purposes, and that you can have it for a VA to actually process orders or whatever it might be. And so this is a wonderful, wonderful tool. If you want to find out more, you can go to Zapier, and you can search for the most popular ones, and just make sure that whichever integration you're looking for, make sure to choose ClickFunnels as a source, and then whatever your other application or software service is. So here is ClickFunnels. It connects to over 1,500 different apps. So whatever you're looking for, it should have it. It's free to use initially, and then as you get a little more advanced, or you're having more run each month, there's an additional charge for it. But to get started, I think it's completely free. So definitely you want to check that out. Sign up for an account right now. And I would highly recommend, at the very minimum, what you do is create one Zap where it saves all order information into a Google Sheet, so you have that. And number two, you get a notification on every order that comes through, so you make sure that if you're fulfilling it, you know that. If your virtual assistant is doing that, if your employee is doing that, they get an email or text message that lets them know that one came through and you need to fulfill that. Okay, so again, that's Zapier and ClickFunnels in this video. If you have any questions, be sure to ask those in the private Facebook group. I appreciate you, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.